Hello guys, and today we have Chicken Gun. So I will show you the secret paper airplane. So let's go to servers and then let's go to create a game. Okay, Office 2, this. Okay, only one player only. So let's go to this Office 2. Okay, let's go in here and then let's go. See where am I walking? This is the secret paper airplane. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the secret airplane. If you shoot it, it is actually invincible. Look. This is secret paper airplane. So this is in this update or not? Or old update. See? This is the paper airplane it just made. It is really cool. See? So guys, thanks for watching, for being and hit subscribe. Bye.